Today I will show you one of your favorite desserts that we make in our restaurant, and this is the French toast. We have the brioche bread, the mixture of the cream with the milk and the eggs and sugar and a bit of vanilla for extra flavor. We have sugar and butter. We will soak the bread into the cream mixture that we make already. After soaking, we need to leave it again for 5-10 minutes to strain the exit cream. So the next step after this is to caramelize the French toast. We will add sugar on the French toast. Okay. Butter can keep melting. We will take the French toast and we will put it in the oven on the small baking paper. 180 degrees for around 7 to 8 minutes. It's almost double the size. It's very hot. Enjoy.